Welcome to my class, your class. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Are you ready? Let's learn English together. Look, this is my breakfast. What's in my breakfast? Let's see. Oh, there is milk. Milk. Can you say it? There is milk. Look, there is bread. Bread. Yummy bread. Wow, there is a banana. A banana. I like bananas. Oh, there are eggs. There are 2 eggs. 1, 2. Let's say it again. There is milk. There is bread. There is a banana. There are 2 eggs. What's in your breakfast? Is there milk? Are there eggs? Great job! You did amazing! See you next time! Bye-bye!